had my head so deep in the sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran. Hey, and this happens every time. Get too close when I'm playing with fire. I get burned, but I know I'll be fine. Hey, got me running round in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video, it's a weekend in my life, in the life of a stay-at-home mom, wife. Yeah, so I'll be taking you guys along in our weekend routine. Okay, so today is Friday and I'm folding up some dresses. If you guys remember the last vlog I posted about my pregnancy stroke period routine, yeah, this was the dresses I was supposed to fold, but I did not fold it that day, so I had to move it. And today's Friday, I was like, okay, let me fold this cloth today because it's long overdue. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, my name is Jessica Chonovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I am married to a Slovak. If you're interested in my lifestyle and all, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out. I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety. Cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. To fall. So who knows where we're gonna land? I know you're scared, babe, I understand, but I got you just in my hand. Hey, and this happens every time, but with you I know I'll be fine. You're the sun in my darkest night. Hey,
got me running around in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this.
I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying.
So loves, Madame decided to fall asleep. I decided to back her so that she can sleep because she has not taken her afternoon siesta. Yeah, so right now I'm still folding the dresses. Like I said earlier on, the dresses were lots. So I'll just finish folding these, then I'll put this in the room like where it's supposed to be, and we'll move to the next step, which is to arrange her room.
I don't wanna talk, don't you hit me? Told you I've been busy. Two bad bitches with me, bucking up your city, and my waist on itty bitty. Got these niggas dizzy, set to get on one knee. I make them feel risky. I don't wanna talk, don't hit me. Told you I've been busy. Two bad bitches with me, bucking up your city, and my waist on itty bitty. Got these niggas dizzy, set to get on one knee. I make them feel risky. I do what I want, know what it was when you signed up. Get right or get left, I got 3 hoes ready lined up. I take my apologies and sell or designer. You know where to find me. Till then, I don't wanna talk, don't you hit me. Told you I've been busy. Two bad bitches with me, looking up your city, and my waist on itty bitty. Got these niggas.
So I'm done folding the dresses and I'll arrange her off camera, and that was all I did for Friday. I didn't really do much on Friday apart from folding those dresses. So guys, this is all I did on Friday. I folded the dresses and rearranged my daughter's room because it was all messed up. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. So please, if you've watched this essay and you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe, like, share and comment. So loves. See you guys tomorrow.
Set to get on my knee. I make them feel risky.
Hi guys, welcome. So I'm excited because I'm expecting a guest from the UK. I'm going to put her name down. Okay, her name is Ngozi Space. I think so. I'm going to put her name down. She's a YouTuber. She just flew. Come. She's a YouTuber and also a subscriber. I'm subscribed to her channel. She's also subscribed to my channel. So she just called me that she's in town and she wants to see baby girl. So when she comes around, I'll show you guys anyway. So I'm just happy. Yeah. So guys, I'll introduce her when she comes around. Okay, so let's keep on watching, guys. So guys, see who we have here. Hi, sweet. Please subscribe to our channel. Like seriously,
Yes, so
subscribe to my
any
channel.
space in Abuja, all the way from the UK. Let me carry baby.
Yeah, I came to see you. See, I'm gonna put this as a thumbnail. Seriously, oh my god. Mia, Auntie brought something
for you.
something for me.
There's
No problem, sis.
a special cloth inside for me.
No problem. Mia, collect it. Nails.
Is this one that she collected?
It's the money we are collecting. See your eyes.
See, let them see your face.
I'll send you the clip. Oh my god.
No worries, I'm going back to
Eyes. A safe trip, okay? Can't say bye bye. And she just left. Not quite long, so we're going back to the house. She could not wait. Yeah, Auntie, she got some things for me, yeah? So I'll show you guys when we get. So guys, she just left. Mama, remove your hand. Put your hand down. Yeah. She just left. She has some places to go to. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm sweating. Yeah, Auntie got you something. Yeah, we got a guest from the UK. You got to go international. Okay, so please, guys, please subscribe to her channel. Okay, NG Space. I'm panting. NG Space, please subscribe to her channel. Like, this is my first time meeting her. Oh my god. And she got something for me, yeah. Like, thank you so much, sis. God bless you. God enrich your pocket. Like, the favor of God shall never depart from you and your family. In Jesus' name, amen. Like, as you remember my daughter, oh my god. Thank you so much. Like, this is the stuff she got for me, yeah. I'm going to be unboxing with you guys, okay? So, yeah, so keep on watching. Okay, wait, let's unbox it now. Chill. She came to see only Mia. See, guys. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so cute. It's so nice. Like, this is so beautiful, guys. Please say thank you to this auntie. Please pray for her. Okay, Mia wants to show you guys how it looks like on her body. See, it looks like a Mia. Yeah, it's beautiful. You like it? Say, auntie, thank you. Mia. Say thank you. Say thank you. Munachi, say thank you. Say thank you. That's my daughter. You can say thank you, but your shakara is too much. Your shakara is too much. Say thank you. Mia and myself, we say thank you, auntie. Say thank you, auntie. So I was making lunch and I was making fried yam and beans. Okay, so I'll show you guys the end result of the fried yam and beans. This is new yam, so I had to fry it because so that I'll be able to enjoy the yam. And I know say new yam is always has a kind of taste like that, but when you fry it, it's more baked. So as I'm done cooking, just cooking beans before my friend came around. Yes, yam. This is new yam, so I had to fry it because new yam not the sweet. Yeah, so I'm done cooking. Now it's just time to watch movie and relax. So guys, after cooking, I decided to wash the plates and clear the kitchen. My small madam want me out, so please subscribe to her channel NG Space. Okay, she's an amazing content creator. Thank you sis so much for remembering to visit me and my daughter, and thank you for the gift as well. So guys, keep on watching to find out how my weekend went. What's it?
I know, you know, we know we're on fire. The sparks in your eyes are what I desire. You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. Doing my best.
Thank you.
To keep
Clap
you
yourself.
right next to me.
Wait, let me wash it.
You asked if I left, then who'd keep you company?
No, it's okay.
I used to be scared that
It's okay,
you'd
oh,
leave
madam.
when it gets colder. But you
Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. So love, this is my meal. I will enjoy it, and my Saturday is over. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is Sunday.
don't leave me now for something better. Don't leave me now for something.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Happy Sunday. So right now I am making breakfast for my whole family. My brother is around, my nephew is around. So right now we are family of 5, and this is the breakfast I'm making for a family of 5. Okay, so we are having eggs with sweet potato, yam and plantain. So it's just me setting up our plates, and I'm going to like dish it out for the 5 of us because hubby also ate this breakfast as well. So today's vlog is me cooking breakfast, and hubby is going to be fixing some kitchen cabinet, which I'll be showing you guys at the end of this video. So please do well to watch to the end so that you can see the kitchen cabinet hubby fix after breakfast. So I hope you watch this extent. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Like, you guys are the best. If to this extent, you are the best. Yeah, so let's enjoy our breakfast, and I'll show you guys at the end of the video how the kitchen cabinet looks like.
'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. Sparks are flying, so I keep trying to get inside your mind and make you understand. Our love will withstand, 'cause you're my best friend. I have this feeling it will never end. I know, you know, we know we're on fire. The sparks in your eyes are what I desire. You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever.
Ezinna, jirikwa onwe gị now. So don't mind them. Don't mind them, baby. They are jealous of you, yeah? Sorry, don't mind them. It's okay, baby. It's okay, my love. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Okay? Okay, Zina. Don't mind him. So guys, I'm also tip for us. Let me in the comment section, how do you cook for your large family? So anytime my brother or nephews are around, this is how I do our breakfast. I make it large for all of us to eat. So this is my own portion. I'm not really eating much. So this is my own portion, and my brother and my nephew are just enjoying theirs as well. Baby girl was also enjoying her breakfast as well. Hubby was enjoying his in the room. So let's enjoy the breakfast, and I'll show you guys the kitchen corner bits that hubby's.
Heard it from a friend, she was in our bed, should've known better. Said it was the truth, she came onto you, yeah, but you let her. Knocked me over 10 feet forward. Never knew I could sleep alone good, I've never been better.
So guys, this is the kitchen bit hubby fixed, like after eating and he rested, so he fixed this corner bit. I'm just going to be cleaning it, and I'll be rearranging this place as well. So I'll show you guys at the ending of the video how it looks like after I've cleaned and rearrange, or will I say rearrange or arrange, yeah, this area.
You're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Remember when you tried putting up a fight? Bet you feel stupid. Tried to make a scene, didn't change a thing. Damn it, you blew it. And you're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell.
So guys, I'm done cleaning this place. So right here, I'm going to be keeping this my flour in this pot. Okay, then on this side I'll be keeping my blender and my mixer. Yeah, so if I'm going to change it, I'll let you guys know in any of the vlogs if I'm going to change what I put in this area. For now, these are what
I hate to hate someone, but you make it so easy. Make it so damn easy. I hate to say I won, but you're the